Lesson 1. Addition and subtraction of fractions, and then we have lines and segments. So if you want to write that down, just like the topic, okay? Addition and subtraction of fractions, which is totally a review. All right, and then the line segment thing is really just more fractions. And then go ahead and write down 10 elevenths minus 5/6 plus 1/3. All right, what do we have to do in order to add and subtract fractions? Everybody? That's right, we need a common denominator. So I've got 11, 6, and 3. So for 11, 6, and 3, I probably would start with like my biggest one and like just think about like all the multiples of 11 until we get to one they all go into. What is it? It is 66. Yep. All right, so it might take a little while, but we need to make all of these out of 66. All right. And a plus sign, and out of 66. Okay, so when I make this one out of 66, what am I going to multiply by in my head, everyone? Yeah, so we're really multiplying by 6 over 6, which is legal math. It's 1, so it's like not changing the value, okay? So this is 60, okay, multiplying. And this one right here, what are we going to multiply top and bottom by? 11. All right, so then I do 5 times 11 is 55. And this last one, anybody know? 22. Good. 3 times 22 would give me 66, so I got to multiply by 22 over 22. You don't have to show any of that, okay? But you do need to show this step, okay? Where you got the common denominators. All right, now I can go ahead and do 66 minus 55, since I have a common denominator, which is what?
27 over 6.
Oh, yeah, I know you're already there. 5, though, right? Okay. And then we add 22. And so, yes, we get 27 over 66. Now we should check for if we should reduce, right? What goes into 27 and 66? 3. I agree with you. How many times does 3 go into 27? How many times does 3 go into 66? All right. And then you would be like, can I reduce further? And no, you cannot. All right. There you go. All right, go ahead and like just draw this like really this line with dot A, dot B, and dot C. Yeah.
On a homework, do you want us to write the original equation down and then have under it the...
You do not have to.
Okay.
Yeah. For like the fraction ones? No. You can just write the common denominators down. All right, segment AC measures 10 and 1/4 units. So like I would just kind of put a little line from here to here. AC measures 10 and 1/4 units. Segment AB, so then you might want to be like, all right, that's from here to here. AB measures 4 3/7. Find BC. BC is from here to here. What operation are we going to do to solve? Yeah, we're just going to subtract, okay, to find it. So I really need to just do 10 and 1/4 minus 4 3/7. Now, we do need common denominators to subtract. If you want to make them improper, you could, but I don't think we have to. Let's try doing it without making it improper, just doing common denominators. So what do 4 and 7 go into, you guys? Yeah, so I'm going to rewrite this. Leave the 10. Make this out of 28. All right, so I had to multiply 4 by what to get 28? Okay, so I'm multiplying by 7 over 7 here. Boop. All right, minus, and then I have a 4. Okay, I need to get this guy. Now he's going to be out of 28. I had to multiply by 4 over 4. Good, so I get 12, exactly. We have a little problemo, though, because I can't do 7 minus 12, right? So what do we have to do? Exactly. I got to make this a 9. And how much do I need to add up here? Yeah, you're adding like 28, 28. So I have to add that whole thing. So I really need to add a nice little 28 right here. So I have 9. And when we add this, what do we get? I know. You guys are like, I already know how to do this. Good. Okay. Now I can actually subtract the whole numbers and the fractions. Yes?
Do we have to write that second?
No, you don't. But let's do our whole numbers. 9 minus 4 is 5. All right, and then I'm going to do 35 minus the 12 right here, which is 23 out of 28. And I don't think that reduces. 23 is prime, all right? But check if it does. Okay, now we're going to do whiteboard. So This is what we do every day in my class. My lessons are pretty short. That was the lesson. Now everybody grab a whiteboard from under your desk. We're gonna practice these problems. I'll probably just throw you a marker since you probably don't have one. And